Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open and exit the safe mode on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to enter the safe mode, first we need to turn off our device, so press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu and then power it off. Now let's wait for the device to turn off. Once you feel the vibrations, then of course this means that the device is off. Now we want to press and hold the power button in order to turn on our device, and once you see the OnePlus logo, you want to press and hold the volume down button. So press and hold the power button now, and now press and hold the volume down button, and then we need to keep holding the volume down button until we actually see the home screen or the lock screen. So let's keep holding. And there we go. Now, as you can see in the bottom left corner, we are in the safe mode. We will need to enter the password for the lock screen in order to enter our device. And of course, in this mode, only pre-installed apps are working. Widgets should not work. As you can see, the list of apps is quite short. Now, in order to exit the safe mode, all we need to do is simply restart our device or reboot it. So once again, press power button and volume up in order to open the power menu, and then restart the device. And now once you turn the device back on, when it turns itself back on, you will see that you will no longer be in the safe mode. Keep in mind that now if you go back to the normal mode, you will have the airplane mode enabled, so remember to turn it off. There we go. Let's enter the password, and you are definitely in the airplane mode, so turn it off in order to turn the mobile data and Wi-Fi back on. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!